Well, no, this is fine. This is a good list.
Oh, no,
Also, Asmund farmed the Johnny Depp Shrell harder. Get fucked up. But the reality is that I think this is just pure projection. That's why I have no friends. Because I hang out with people that I like, that treat me for who I am or whatever, and just want to have some fun and play some fucking games. I would assume that I wouldn't do this to my friends or my acquaintances and treat them like this. I think this is kind of dog shit. I think that's kind of lit. And in comparing dick size on the rate of farming, I think is just his perspective of what he would have done and why he does things. I think it would go as bad as like I could have probably almost gotten banned for this shit if I did it properly. Bruh, he was lower last year. My brother, he was lower last year. Oh, but Destiny was under him.
Wish me luck.
Has he commented on xQc tier list?
Bro, what? Bro, some people are so ill. Dude, I hate you juicers so much, bro. No, I haven't commented on it. I don't know what you're talking about. Nobody cares, man.
Okay, train. Why are you mouthing about this? Motherfucker.
Hansen has the most French.
You put the same GIF on the upper left of your fucking screen while you're slouching your fucking chair with your cock out, literally, for like a whole 20 hours back to back. You expect it to be fucking S+?
Where you need to go pee?
He's gonna remove me.
Bitch!
Why does she hate me?
My streamer tier list. Let's go! Go!
Alright, I'm a little drunk, but it's a good drunk. Yeah. Summit!
Look at this guy.
Do you think we have the same boobs? I mean, I don't know about you, but like, I have milk in mine.
Cierto ahora mismo, más de 3 millones de personas en Twitch.
¡Qué
Más
barbaridad!
de 3 millones de personas nos están comentando por aquí por vía interna. ¡Qué locura!
I cannot fucking believe this shit. It actually happened. Like, it's one thing to talk about it. It's one thing to think about it. It's one thing to hope that it could happen. But here we are, and it fucking did. It actually happened. He fucking won.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa.
Next! Go,
Go, go, go, go, go.
Just strip and hit it! Hit it!
Let's fucking go!
70,000!
Let's go!
Baby! Let's fucking go!
I'm ready. Please. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it.
Oh! I got it! I got it! Oh
No
my
way.
god!
No
Oh
way.
my god!
Holy shit!
Oh my god, I got it!
You fucking got it!
Oh my god!
Fuck, jizz!
Twitch and YouTube. This is it. Can Billy Knox send Adam Cole home? And that is it. That is it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ow! Jesus Christ! X, I'm waiting for you. Come.
Shroud, you look so good right now, man.
Want to use the coins?
No, I have the other money, so I'll go ahead.
I got other money. Oh. What the hell is that? Donate? I got $10. Wait.
Oh, that's my viewer.
What the? Dude, what the hell? Hey, you got $10. What the? This is awesome. Okay, thank you.
Okay, well I can help you with that one.
Oh my god, hello.
Oh.
This is host.
Yeah.
Hello. I got you guys an umbrella. Yes.
Wow.
You're so pretty and nice. She got us an umbrella.
Here, right here. All right, here. There we go. Now I'm feeling. Now we're doing it. Is that gonna work? Probably. Arigatou. And that's how it's done.
Excellent. Wait, can I say a message to xQc as well?
Oh yeah, I don't know if you watched it.
Okay. xQc. Don't gamble, play chess. xQc out.
My man. All right. The chess is kind of like gambling.
These are the 4 witnesses we heard from today. Gabe Sterling, Brad Raffensperger, and Rusty Bowers, all of them describing the pressure they were facing. In previous hearings, we've heard from others who were on the receiving end of pressure, including someone that was mentioned a fair amount today, BJ Pack, the former U.S. attorney for the Northern District of Georgia, who resigned when he was unable to substantiate the allegations of fraud.
The weird thing about that.
Can we get like some
Let's
milk?
try it. Come on. No. Oh, you're. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it on the floor.
It's so hot.
There's a drain.
Minx? Oh my god, no. You're gonna be a bitch. You're gonna have to take it all off and redo it. Eric, they're stealing from you.
Oh my.
Go, get out! Get out of here, man!
Got robbed by a duck.
Whoa, what up, girl? Oh.
My cat's $100 piss box that my cat doesn't like pissing into because I guess it's too pink and tall for her. She's a There were some piss leftovers in it.
If you can make it through the rocket test labs, you might be able to worm your way through the old tunnels to track down whatever is left of the Lambda team.
You can't shoot him, right?
Except tips, of course.
This is for everybody in OTK, so pretty much think of this as
Misgift needs a fucking haircut now. This doesn't work.
Hey, just was wondering, is this an out-of-season April Fool's joke?
Well, I don't even know. It's kind of the gravity of the situation is kind of hitting me right now. How can Wyatt be sitting there saying make a great game first when this isn't even a game?
don't play this fucking game. Don't get, or at least if you have to play it, don't give them any fucking money, dude. Don't fucking buy into this shit. It's a scam.
What the fuck? What? What? Wait, is that a little slot thing that I spent $5 to? That's right, bitch! I spent $10,000! I spent $10,000 and got nothing!
Ray, take this.
What
is this?
What's this?
What are you doing, Ray?
What's going on here?
Well, I would say he's playing Diablo Immortal, but that's not the cache UI, so I don't know what he's doing. What is this?
What you're seeing right now, ladies and gentlemen, is the world premiere of...
Hey, one thing that I do like about this... Oh, ding. One thing I do like about this is there's no cap. I can just keep spending money.
Yeah, man, that's
They
pretty
really-
fucking, wow, that's great gameplay mechanics by Blizzard.
There are so many people that agree that it's whack. It's about to get good. It's about to be sick. Watch this. Watch this. It's coming. And I'm coming. Is Lucari playing it? That's a good question. Honestly, I can't see it. It doesn't have any, like, underaged anime chicks that talk about their feet. I don't think he would want that.
And now we have Diablo Immortal. I can't see more game companies doing this. And also, like, yeah, people in chat mentioned FIFA too. That's a whole new can of worms. That's probably worse than all of them.
FIFA's just a gacha game where you collect middle-aged millionaires instead of anime girls.
And then I gotta immediately change the settings. Okay, I died. That's fine. Don't crash. Don't crash. Please don't crash, game. No! This... I'm
We could go another round. Now, go on my shoulders right now. I weigh like 130 soaking ass wet. It doesn't matter, we posting the threat. All of this shit that we making, I come through attacking this bullshit, I'm up to my neck. Yeah, up on my shoulders. The shit that we spit in the coldest. Like, how am I flowing the bonus? I'm doing it every hour, and minute, and moment. Hey, sushi is sweating. Give them the Heimlich against what we getting. All of the vibes that we making upsetting. I'm stopping the beat that we run it again. It's like...
Okay. He has a baby face, right? Yeah, I think so. He has a big...